Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can circle a word in your documents on Google Docs. So let us get right into it. So head over to your document on Google Docs and let me start with a completely new fresh line here. So what you want to do first, guys, is head over to the drawing tool of Google Docs. You can access it by clicking on insert here at the top, by hovering mouse over drawing here, and by clicking into plus new here. So what you want to do next, guys, is start by adding a circle to your drawing. You may do that by clicking into shape here, hover your mouse over shapes and select the circle here on oval. And after that, simply left click and simply draw your circle. You may draw one with a pretty ecliptic shape like that, or if you press and hold left shift on your keyboard, you may stabilize it to make it a clean circle like this. And after that, release your left mouse to place your circle. So what you want to do next is, for example, adjust its size if you like, and you may also click on these edges, or if you'd like to stabilize it again, click on one of these corners, press and hold left shift and make it a pretty clean circle like this. And that's basically it. What you want to do after that, guys, is simply click into fill color here to make it transparent by clicking on transparent here. After that, you may also adjust the custom color to that circular border by clicking on border color here. And let's apply, for example, blue color. You may also adjust the border weight or thickness. So let me switch to, let's say, 4px, and so on and so forth, guys. So in the next step, you want to add your text or your word to that circle and place it in the middle. To do that, click on text box here. And after that, simply draw your text box in the middle of that circle and type in your word, for example, word or circle or something like that. And after that, simply position your word here in the middle by moving, by clicking on that icon here with these 4 arrows, and by moving it here to the middle, you will see these lines, these horizontal vertical lines for orientation, to move it to the center, just like that. And yeah, that's basically it. You may also rotate it if you like, just like that, or adjust its size, for example, by double clicking into it, by highlighting it, and by changing the font size here, by making it bold, italic, changing the font color, and so on and so forth. And once you're ready, guys, simply click on save and close here to add your circled word to your document, and that's how it works. You may also keep customizing and editing it by clicking into it and by clicking on edit here. That is going to take you back to that drawing tool here. And that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.